Texas. My brother-in-law is here from New Hampshire, and we met, and the experience was way more than we could imagine. So thank you for putting all this on, all the vendors. It's been amazing.
Thank you very much.
This year was fantastic. I was here last year, but always happy to come back. Of course, take part in the competition. Always love the stages. It's, a little bit of tension for the afternoon, see how fast you can shoot, but still be accurate. I got second this year, so that was the free membership for a year, and I'm really happy to get second for that.
The open house went great here today in Nashville. There was hundreds of people here, and I ended up doing the two of the shooting competitions they had available, the night shoot and the shoot 270 course they had set up, and I ended up winning both events. I won the Nightstick 1200 lumen flashlight for the night shoot and this beautiful custom built Glock 26. And huge shout out to the GlockStore and all the people here, and wouldn't have been able to do this without them, so thank you.
We've had such a great crowd, and it's been such a great response to all the things we're doing here in Nashville, Tennessee. We had a lot of specials, we've given away a lot of gifts, and we're selling a lot of guns. So we are thankful that you're here, and we hope to see you next year for our grand opening celebration of the GlockStore here in Nashville.